If you miss a day of practice or a few days of practice for any reason, don't get discouraged or waste your time being disappointed with yourself. Just try to start again the next day. It may take multiple attempts before you're able to develop consistency. If you can develop a consistent practice that you maintain for years, there's nothing that can stop you, and it can really help you overcome the distractions and disruptions that get in your way. You may need to play with this formula and find your own recipe for success. I tried meditation many times for many years unsuccessfully before I found a routine that worked for me. The key for me was learning to incorporate moving meditation into my life through my martial arts practice. That was easier for me to do because it allowed me to help me disperse my anxious energy. After I was able to find success with that form of meditation, it made it easier for me to do sitting meditation. This is not the conventional approach, and I realize not everyone is interested in or capable of doing martial arts, but the key is finding a practice routine that works for you and doing it consistently. Start small, with a routine that you can maintain and build off of that. It's important to try meditating a little bit every day to continuously develop your ability to stay focused. Eventually, you can expand your practice and learn to apply it to different parts of your life. When you're moving around, living your life, try to pay attention and be aware of everything that's going on around you, and simultaneously remain focused on whatever you're doing. If you practice this way, you can turn everything you do into a meditation. Then you can constantly clear out all of your excessive thoughts and emotions as they arise. Over time, you can bank thousands of hours of practice and become a master of yourself. This is how you unlock the true power of your mind. When you reach this point, the distractions will not faze you, and you can figure out how to overcome any obstacles that get in your way. Think of your journey like this. If you can take a step, you can walk 10 feet. If you can walk 10 feet, you can walk a mile. If you walk a mile each day, you could circle the world in your lifetime. That's pretty amazing. That is the power of consistency. But it all starts with a step, and I strongly encourage you to start taking steps in the direction you want to go. I wish you good fortune in your journey, and thank you for coming tonight.